How much did the Grammy gift bags cost? You're about to find out. Hey there, beauty queens. Time for another episode of Glossip Girl with me, Monica, your pop culture enthusiast. Today is all about dollar bills, y'all. Buying, selling, beauty, money. It's all happening all the time. So let's hop right in. And hey, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for the latest beauty news. First up, I'm talking about the Grammys. Did you watch them this past Sunday? I only ever care about the fabulous beauty looks. But did you know that on top of attending the show and looking stunning, the celebs who go are also gifted thousands and thousands of dollars worth of free products? Apparently, the Grammy gift bags this year were worth $30,000 each. $30,000? That's like a year of college tuition, 2 of it state school. So today, I want to talk about the most expensive beauty products found in this year's Grammy gift bags. Hold on to your wallets. The Institutum Flawless Glow Kit for $69. This kit comes with a triple action resurfacing peel gel, a resurfacing glow toner, and an anti-wrinkle brightening serum. All three working together to leave your skin looking and feeling flawless. The Oxygenetics Oxygenating Hydro Matrix for $70. This is a very fancy moisturizer that oxygenates the skin. It's aloe vera based and packed with hyaluronic acid, so you'll never age. Just kidding. The KFS Cellular Protein Complex Serum for $225. I literally cannot imagine a world where I am paying $225 for a serum that, hey, a girl can dream. If you can afford the price tag, or someone gives it to you for free, this serum will help your skin maintain collagen and elasticity. For the bougie people in your life, I suppose. And lastly, a weekend at the Golden Door Spa for $9,000. That means a week-long stay valued at $9K. Dang! I'm basically speechless. According to their website, Golden Door Spa is the #1 spa in the whole world! Facials, massages, mindfulness. It can all be yours at this spa. Anyone got one of these vouchers and need a +1? Okay, so how do I get myself into the Grammys next year? Any ideas? Comment down below who you'd want to go to the Grammys with. Lizzo, need a +1? I'm available! Anyway, moving on. Now this next piece of news isn't beauty related, but we feel it's worth mentioning. We here at Beauty Studio would like to offer our condolences to the Bryant family after the tragic loss of Kobe Bryant and his daughter Gigi, as well as to other families who lost a loved one in that terrible accident. Kobe Bryant was an icon and hero to millions of people. I'm from the Philly area and live in LA, so it always felt like Kobe was part of both of my homes. Whether you care about basketball or not, Kobe Bryant and his family have donated so much of their time and energy to giving back to their communities. Kobe was on his way to coach a youth basketball league, which I think speaks volumes to his character. Even though this happened a few days ago, I at least will be thinking about him and his family for a long time to come. Okay, now I'm gonna do a recap of beauty happenings from last week that you may have missed. Just in case you took a social media hiatus recently, here's what happened. Kat Von D is selling her beauty brand. Tattoo artist and makeup mogul Kat Von D announced on IG that she's selling her makeup brand Kat Von D Beauty. In her post, she stated that she's really busy with her line of shoes, releasing an album, and going on a world tour, so she doesn't have time for her makeup business anymore. While this is all true, it does seem a little sus to me, because Kat Von D Beauty has been slowly declining in popularity. When she first launched, people were obsessed with her tattoo eyeliner, including myself. But the drop in support started when she announced that she would not be vaccinating her son. Fans were not having that, and popular YouTubers like Tati Beauty and Jeffree Star commented on how they wouldn't be supporting her brand anymore. And then it started popping up in discount stores like TJ Maxx. Not that I don't love a good bargain, but it seems to be that Kat Von D Beauty isn't as profitable as it once was, and Kat decided it's time to get a move on. The brand is now called KVD Vegan Beauty, and I guess we'll see what happens next. Okay, lastly for today is a fun beauty sale alert. Jeffree Star is back with more mystery boxes, and this time they're Valentine's Day themed, of course. Some of you might remember the mystery box debacle in December when some of the smaller boxes didn't have his palette inside, and he ended up giving people full refunds. Here's hoping that the boxes go down a bit smoother this time, and if you get one, leave a comment about what's inside. That's all for me today, beauty lovers. Award shows are a great way to get free stuff. Kat Von D sold her makeup line, and Jeffree Star is back with more mystery boxes. What beauty news of the week are you most into? Tell me in a comment below, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more weekly beauty updates. See you later, babes!